Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now in this video I'll be showing you guys how to card tomatoes, and these are big salad that we use for like salads and all that. So here we go guys. Now you want to tie one end of the string on a stick, and you want to pull the string very tightly so that you can keep the tomato plant in place. Then you want to go ahead and tie it on another stick. So guys, you want to skip about 4 or 5 plants. I think in this video I had skipped a lot of plants because I didn't have enough stick to go around, so I had to stretch it out a bit. Now guys, you want to pull on that card very tightly so that it keeps the tomato in place. And for this you would need a roll of card. According to how much tomato you need, you might need about 7 rolls. I think I'm gonna use about 9 rolls of card because I have 1,000 tomato plants, and you want to card it as far as the tomato will grow. So each time the tomato puts out a limb, you want to card it underneath that limb. So if your tomato have like 3 stages of limb or branches as people call it, 3 stages of branches, you want to card it underneath each branch, and then you want to delicately place the tomato leaves over the card. And then you continue that step until you finish. Yeah guys, this is very stressful because it has given me a lot of back pain. I don't know how guys manage to card tomato because it's very stressful, and in the boiling sun hot as that. Now guys, I'm just gonna show you guys how this is going. Now as you can see, I have placed the card underneath the branches, and the tomatoes are blossoming also. I have lost a lot of blossom, but I guess that's due to the cold because I have been using things for blossom on it. So I don't think you can escape this during this period. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.